Promoting your Etsy shop on Pinterest involves strategic pin creation, optimization, and community engagement to attract potential buyers. Create compelling pins. Design visually appealing pins showcasing your products. Use high-quality images, clear fonts, and engaging graphics to catch users' attention. Keyword optimization. Craft keyword-rich pin descriptions and titles using terms relevant to your products. Use keywords that your target audience is likely to search for on Pinterest. Utilize rich pins. Enable rich pins for your Etsy products. These show real-time pricing and availability, making your pins more informative and clickable. Create boards. Organize your pins into thematic boards that resonate with your brand and target audience. Curate content that complements your products, such as lifestyle inspiration or DIY ideas. Engage and share. Engage with the Pinterest community by following and repinning content from relevant boards and users. Participate in group boards or collaborative projects to expand your reach. Pin consistently. Regularly pin new content, including your products, blog posts, and curated content. Consistency keeps your profile active and increases visibility. Promoted pins. Consider using Pinterest's advertising platform to promote your top-performing pins. Target specific demographics or interests to reach potential buyers. Track analytics. Monitor Pinterest analytics to understand which pins and boards perform best. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what resonates most with your audience.